Hello, good afternoon students, Jai Sanskar. So we now reach the second point of our lesson number 10, reaching the age of adolescence. And the second point is about the changes at puberty. What is changes at puberty? So when you are going to just reaching to at your complete adolescent age, that is puberty. So what changes that you feel in your body is the detail of that particular changes are given here. So the first one is increase in a height. The most conspicuous change during the puberty is the sudden increase in the height. That is common. You all know that when you are just growing up and when you reach almost the 9 or 10 years, suddenly your height increasing. Why? Because after the teenage gets completed, your height cannot be increased. So you will definitely show sudden change in the height. At the time, the long bones, that is the bone of the arms and the legs, elongated and make a person tall. તમારા હાથ અને પગ છે એની આના બોનની જે elongated એટલે કે લંબાઈ છે એ વધી જાય છે and you looks tall. તમે ઊંચા લાગો છો. See, one of the activities given here, I am just reading this into the short. આમાં તમારી age and a height of a boys and height of a girls are given. So here at the age of 8, the boy's height is 72, whereas the girl's height is 77. 9, 75 and 81. 10, 78 and 84. 11, 81 and 88. 12, 84 and 91. Then 13, at the age of 13, 88% and 95%. So in short, the girl's height increased more than the boy's height. So here is the rules of a percentage in which the height is increased. Then at the age of 14, the girl's height increased, boy's height increased 92, whereas girls 98. Then 95, 99, 98, 99.5, 99, 100 and 100 to 100. So at the age of 18, the girl's height is almost reached, but the girl's height is increased faster than the boys. The calculation for the full height, how you can calculate your full height, the calculation is given here. The percentage of height in centimeter divided by the percentage of full height at the age of at the height of at this age, that is given into the chart, is multiplied by 10. For example, a boy is 9 years old and a 120 centimeter tall. At that end of the growth of the period is likely to be that 9 is divided by 120 multiplied by 100, so is 160. So here the calculation is given at what age the girl's height increase and at the what age boy's height increase. Even the second chart is given. In this, the blue line shows the height of a girls, whereas the red line shows the height of a boys. Even the same thing is represented in the form of the chart. Initially, girls grow faster than the boys, but by about the 18 years of age, both reach their maximum height. See, girls એની એજ પ્રમાણેની હાઇટમાં બોયઝની કમ્પેરિઝનમાં વધારે વધે છે, બટ એટ ધ એજ ઓફ 18 boys height is reach at the peak and it runs, it's just grow faster than the girls. The rate of the growth in a height varies in a different individual. Some may grow suddenly at the puberty and then slow down, while others may grow gradually. See, the height growing ratio is different. Someone is suddenly started growing and some are just growing startedly, but after reaching at some age, their growth become stops. There is no need for Paheli to worry. All the parts of the body do not grow at the same rate, but especially when your height grows, not all part grows, almost only the height of the legs and hands grow. Sometimes the arms and the legs or hands and the feet of adolescents look oversized and out of the proportion with the body. but soon the other parts catch up and result is proportionate body. Sometimes it may happen that your legs are looking so long, your hands are looking so long, but after the age grows, and when you grows, after the age just increase, and when you grow, the other body parts also just started growing, so that will proportionate to each other. You must have noticed that the height of an individual is more or less similar to that some family members. Yeah, but it is definitely, you have seen that the height is dependent on almost on the the height of the other family members. This is because the height depends on the genes inherited from the parents. Generally, it is shown that your mother's and your father's height is just maximum rate of a height of yours. So if your mother is tall in a height, so we will definitely say that your height also will be tall. This is because height depends on the genes inherited from the parents. It is, however, very important to eat a right kind of food during these growing years. See, I'll tell you the ratio, that 80% of the height of a child is dependent on their parents. Why? Because the genes that is carried from their parents only. But 20% it depends on the good food, good, healthy and dietary food. If you want to grow your height, if you want to look more tall than your mother or father, then you must have to eat healthy food. Suppose that you think that my mother's height is not that much okay, I am not okay with my mother's height and I want to grow more. So you have a chance to grow yourself 20% more than your mother or father. How? Sometimes you have looked at the child is looking taller than their mother or father. Why? Because his food habit, his exercise is very good. So 20% it is on your hand, that if you want to grow your height more, then you eat good, healthy and the vitamins and the minerals food. So your height will grow good. This helps the bone It is, however, very important to eat a right kind of food during the growing years. This helps the bones, muscles and other parts of the body to get adequate nourishment for the growth. You will find nutrition needs of the adolescents discussed later in this lesson. So, your height is not completely depend on your parents' height, but 80% you will definitely get the idea about your height, and other 20% is dependent on your food habit. Change in the body shape. The second things that you can notice during the puberty is change in the body shape. Have you noticed that boy in your class have a broader shoulder and a wider chest than a boys in a junior class? This is because they have entered the age of puberty, when the shoulders generally broaden as a result of the growth. In girls, the region below the waist becomes wider. In a boys, the muscles of the body grows more prominently than in the girls. This change occurring in the adolescent boys and girls are different. See, the body shape get changed. The shoulder of a boys become wider and the below part of the waist of the girls become wider, and this kind of change that you notice in the body shape of an adult child. Voice change. This is the definitely you have noticed. Did you notice that sometimes the voice of some of the boys in your class cracks? Suddenly કોઈનો અવાજ છે થોડો ફાટી ગયો હોય ને એવું જણાય કે the boys નો અવાજ આનો અવાજ તો સડનલી ફાટી ગયો હોય ને એવો આવે છે, આમ કેવો આમ ભારી ભારી બોલે છે. So this is the sign that the boy is starting growing. Some of the boys, at the puberty, the voice box or the larynx, see the voice box is the proper word, begins to grow. Boys develop a larger voice box. The growing voice box in a boy can be seen as the protruding part of the throat. See here. So here you can notice the part of the boys that it is look like Adam's apple. This we are going to read ahead, called Adam's apple. So the protruding part of a boy's neck that you can see here like this is look like an apple. So this is called Adam's apple, and it shows the growth of a voice box. In girls, the larynx is hardly visible from the outside because it's small in a size. Even the girls' voice box also become large, but not that much large that you can notice it because it is of small size. Generally, the girls have a high pitched voice whereas the boys have a deep voice. એની જે ગર્લ્સની જે વોઇસ છે હાઈ પિચ્ડ હોય છે એટલે એટલી જેટલી રાડો પડે ને એટલે ક્યાંય સુધી સંભળાય. વેરેઝ ધ બોયઝ વોઇસ આર ડીપ એટલે એટલામાં જ બોલે તો બી સારો એવો પ્રમાણ રિલીઝ કરે. ઇન ધ એડલ્સન્સ બોયઝ સમટાઇમ્સ ધ મસલ્સ ઓફ in adolescence boys, sometimes the muscles of the growing voice box go out of control and the voice becomes hoarse. Hoarse is like a very ડરાવની ટાઈપ ઓફ વોઇસ છે. ઘણા વોઇસનો અવાજ એટલો ભારી હોય કે એકદમ થ્રેટનિંગ હોય. This state may remain for a few days or weeks, after which the voice become normal. Suddenly આવું થાય છે ને then it converting into the normal state. Increase in activity of sweat and sebaceous gland. Then what is the sweat means persevo and oil. Sebaceous means oil gland. During the puberty, the secretion of sweat gland and the sebaceous gland, that is oil gland, increase. Many young people get acne and pimples on the face at this time because of the increase in activity of the gland in the skin. You know what happened during the teen ages? The oil gland just increases and the sweating is increases. પરસેવો થોડો વધુ આવે છે. ઓઇલ ફ્રી તમારા બોડીમાંથી ઓઇલ રિલીઝ થોડું વધારે થાય છે. સ્પેશિયલી ધ ગર્લ્સ હેવ અ સેમ પ્રોબ્લેમ. યુ કેન રિમેમ્બર ધ ફેર એન્ડ લવલી. સી રિમેમ્બર ગર્લ્સ, when you are just a baby you are already fair and lovely, but as you reach to the teen age you must have to cover your head with some clean clothes so that you will not feel the oily skin. થોડું સ્કિન છે એ ડ્રાય અને ઓઇલી થવાનું ચાલુ થઈ જાય છે એન્ડ યુ નીડ ટુ વોશ ઇટ ફ્રીક્વન્ટલી. તમારે એને વારે વારે વોશ કરવાની પણ જરૂર પડે છે. સો ધીસ કાઇન્ડ ઓફ ચેન્જીસ યુ નોટિસ ડ્યુરિંગ ઓનલી ધ ટીન એજીસ. વાય? બિકોઝ this period is a period of your growth. Development of a sex organ. Looking up the 9.1 and 9.2 you will definitely learn about this, that your sex organs it also increased. In a previous which shows the sex organ of humans, at the puberty male sex organs like a testis and penis develop completely and the testis also begin to produce a sperm. In a girls the ovaries enlarge and the eggs begins to mature. Also ovaries start releasing the mature egg. So this kind of change is occurring on that. Reaching mental, intellectual and emotional maturity. See, this is the very important. Suddenly the boys or girls started talking intelligently. Their mental ability becomes more and more good. Even the emotional maturity also increase. When you are a child of age of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, your mother is just giving you a slap. She will also just telling you that this is wrong and this is right. But after some age you don't like all these things. You will suddenly consider yourself, I am a growing child. Now don't tell me, mama, I am doing good. But this is not good things. You must have to listen to your mother. If she is scolding you, that is for your betterness. So adolescence is also the period of a changes in the person's way of thinking. Your way of thinking gets changed. Suddenly you consider yourself a king and queen, that I am a king of my life, I am the queen of my life. But suddenly this kind of emotions just increase in you. Adolescents are more independent than before and also self-conscious. Intellectual development takes place and they tend to spend considerable time thinking. આ એજ એવી છે કે જેમાં તમે થિંકિંગ પણ વધારે કરો છો એન્ડ દેટ ઇઝ રિયલી બેસ્ટ થિંગ. You know, when in the starting of the lesson I told you that in this age your mind is working very at the height of the intellectual level. તમે ખૂબ જ intellectually think કરો છો. All the aspect of one teenager boy can think at the most powerful way. એક ખૂબ જ પાવરફુલ વેથી થિંક કરી શકે છે. સો ધીસ ઇઝ યોર ઇન્ટેલેક્ચ્યુઅલ એજ. બને એટલું વધારે સ્ટડી કરો એન્ડ જસ્ટ મેક યોર ઇન્ટેલેક્ચ્યુઅલ વેરી પાવરફુલ. It is often the time in one's life when the brain has the greatest capacity of learning. आज बेस्ट टाइમ છે જ્યારે તમારા બ્રેનની કેપેસિટી લર્નિંગ માટે બેસ્ટ હોય. Sometimes, however, the adolescent may feel insecure while trying to adjust to the changes in the body and mind. But adolescent learners, you should know that there is no reason to feel insecure. These changes are natural part of growing up. But suddenly, some changes are not acceptable by the child. Suddenly our changes na karni accept na kari shake and they feel insecure. But you should be learned that there is no insecurity. There is no matter of insecure to be insecure, because this is a natural part. Growing is a natural part of life. So what do you learn from this point? You learn from this that changes at puberty, the increase in a height, changes in a body shape, voice change, then development in the sex organ, increase of the sweat and sebaceous gland, that is oil gland, and reaching mental and intellectual and emotional maturity. You definitely become mature at mental, intellectual and emotional level. So here the 10.2 is over.